Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check if you have a brand account on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to myaccounts.google.com/brand accounts. Now select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are signed into your Google account. Here you can see all your brand accounts on YouTube. If you don't find any channels here, means your YouTube channel is a personal account. This is how you can check whether you have a brand account or personal account on YouTube. Thank you for watching.